the sperm you stored at the hospital. It's been stolen.
Get to the bottom of this immediately. I want to know who dares steal from me.
Hello? No, please. Just give me a few more days. I promise I'll pay the tuition. Please don't. Hello? Hello? Tuition. All my money is with Nora. She'll help me. She has to help me.
Where have you been, Serena? You've kept me waiting.
Alan! You're my stepbrother! What are you doing?
Stepbrother! You are just the baggage your dead father brought into this house. So if you don't want to be kicked out, be obedient. You little wench! You will not go anywhere! I will make you pay for that!
It confirmed that Serena was the one who took your sperm a month ago, but there was a mistake. Another woman was implanted with it, a woman named Serena.
Go find her. Now!
Mom! Help me! What? You shameless! How dare you to seduce Alan!
I didn't! I came here to get money for tuition, but Alan tried to...
Money? What money?
The money my mom left me. Her inheritance.
Mom's money? That money belongs to this family now.
What? That money belongs to me.
That's not possible. Whose bastard is this?
I knew you were a slut, acting all shy with me.
So, we can't sell you. If you're pregnant, Alan, get rid of the baby. No! 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 Someone help me! Please! No! No!
Are you alright?
Calvin!
Not again.
Stop! Stop! Who are you? Let go of my son!
You mess with Alpha King Bart, you face the consequences.
Bart, please spare us!
Serena is no longer a part of your lives. If you try anything else, the next punishment won't be so lenient.
Mom, what do we do? Mr. Bart, he's the most powerful alpha leader. If we offend him, will be definitely consequences, Mom.
No. Serena is Karen Bart's child. This is an opportunity we can't pass on.
Why did you save me? Why did you save me? Thank you. Thank you for saving me earlier.
Bart Spencer. Call me Bart. Remember my name.
Alpha King? The legendary cold-hearted and ruthless Alpha King? I didn't expect someone so young.
Miss Serena, I'm truly sorry. Due to a hospital mix-up, Bart's donation was mistakenly implanted into you.
I take full responsibility. You'll be my wife until the child is born. Put down any amount you wish as compensation.
No, I'm sorry. This is all too much.
Don't test my patience, nor expect me to relent. What do you want, home?
No. You misunderstood. I don't want anything from you. This child shouldn't be treated as a bargaining chip.
I have my principles too. All you have to do is take care of the child. This marriage is just a contract. Understood?
I'll sign the contract. Will you treat this child as a real father should?
I swear, I will.
She's unwell. Let's head back. Immediately.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bart?
Ray, call the doctor right now.
Right away, sir. Don't be afraid, Miss Serena. This is Mr. Bart's mansion. I'm Ray, your personal maid.
Mr. Bart, he's...
You may have heard things about him. He may seem stubborn, but deep down, he's a good man.
Thinking about Serena?
You seem quite concerned about her.
No. I've just noticed that you care about Serena.
To you, that's Luna Serena. Dress her properly.
My apologies. Luna Serena.
Look into her past. She's different. She's not scared of me. She doesn't resent her situation. I need to know who she is.
You need to know? Or you want to know?
Please. Please. No. 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 Please.
Serena?
Please.
Serena!
Please. Please. Please stop. Please stop. Please.
Serena.
Stop it. Let go of me.
Sweetheart, you know you won't.
I said, let go of me.
You freak! You are cursed! Stay away from me!
Serena, wake up.
No.
Serena, hey. Hey, wake up. Serena, it's me.
Mr. Bart, why are you here?
Why are you sleeping on the floor?
I'm not used to soft beds. I sleep on the floor at home.
Always on the floor. From now on, you sleep on the bed. For your sake and the baby's.
I'm sorry. I'll get used to it. Mr. Bart! Since my mother passed, you're the only one who's been kind to me.
Just so you know, I have no interest in you. This is just for the baby. You're my wife. It's my responsibility to take care of you. Get some rest. Tomorrow's the wedding.
Could you stay a little longer?
I'll get Ray to come keep you company.
I can't sleep in unfamiliar places. Could you just stay with me for a moment? Good night, Mr. Bart.
What am I doing? This is just a contract. Once the child's born, we have nothing to do with each other.
Miss Serena, you look stunning. You and Bart are a perfect match.
Thank you. I'm gonna go find Mr. Bart.
Serena's mother passed away shortly after she was born. Her father remarried and built a new family. But
What is it?
her father didn't live long either. She lived with her stepmother and stepbrother, who abused and mistreated her for years. They also took control of her mother's inheritance. And there's one more thing from a few years ago.
Go on.
Her stepbrother, Alan, spread rumors that she was cursed, that any man who shared a bed with her would die. She accused him of defamation and harassment, but no one took her side.
Her accusations, they were ignored.
Yes, she had no one to rely on. She had no friends, and she was forced to live with those who hurt her.
I mean, for this to happen in my territory, I failed as a leader. Serena!
I just need a minute.
What's the matter? Hey, Serena, look at me. I'm sorry you heard that. Hey, but I promise, you're never gonna experience that ever again.
Thank you, Mr. Bart. You know, this isn't in our contract. You don't have to be kind to me.
Contract?
Yeah, our marriage contract.
Oh, right. Our contract. Of course.
Bart Spencer, you may kiss your bride now.
I'll drop and speak a child. Take the weather from your heart and the weight from on your tongue.
Objection!